time for the dessert. Let's see what's in the box. So we've got a delicious, nice and sticky lemon and elderflower cake. We've got some lovely gooseberries from Billy Auger at Augerniks, and a gooseberry fool made with Morley cream and some nice yogurt. Try and get these cakes out, and then, oh, it's really sticky. We can get these cakes out. There we go. Next, I'm going to go with our gooseberry fool. Spoon in some nice hot water. And we've half done the rocher for you, so you should just have to scoop it out. There we go. Finally, got a few gooseberries to dot around. And then some of this lovely syrup. Drizzle.